Okay, so what we're about to look at is a 3-time restoration job that Jason and his father has owned all their lives. Let's go ahead and pull that baby out, Jason. Let's see what we got. Hold on, what do we got over here before we pull that? A 63 split window Corvette. We're not looking at that one, we're looking at the GTO. And I want everybody to pay attention to this paint job. This thing is beautiful. Beautiful paint job this thing is. All right, here he comes, right here. All right, Jason. What kind of motor trend you got in that thing, bud?
It's original.
That's original 390.
It's a 400.
That's a 400 big block.
Yep, 400.
Can we look at that thing, Jason? Can we look at it?
You bet. Look at the hood tag up there. I still got to touch up some stuff inside here, but because it was just recently painted. But all
is that the number
stuff.
Matching motor, Jason?
That's it.
That's the motor that came with the car when the car was bought.
That's it.
That's a beautiful engine. You got factory air conditioning.
Yes.
Wow. So what we're looking at here is a number matching car, one owner car, power brakes. We got the factory air conditioning, AC and heat in it. This is a big block car, factory, everything that you're looking at. Beautiful car, restoration. This car is immaculate in all ways. Look at the paint job, how they painted this. It's just a beautiful job that they did on it. Jason really put his heart into this thing and really made it look the way that it's supposed to look. I want everybody to pay attention to this paint job. It's flawless. There's not one imperfection in the whole thing. The finish on this car is like a mirror, making me a little bit jealous, to be honest with you, because it's such a beautiful car. Let's see if Jason can get that car turned off and tell us a little bit more about it. All right, buddy, so let me ask you a question. Being a one-owner car, was there a lot of damage on this car? A lot of body work, rust, repair?
There was no rust repair. The car's got original quarters on it. It had a dent on this side where my granddad parked it.
Yeah.
The tires went down.
Now, did your granddad ever get his hands on it? Did he ever drive it?
Yeah, he drove it.
He drove it too?
Yeah, he drove it every day.
3-generation GTO looking like we got here. Is that what you're saying, Jason?
It is.
Wow. Now, who's this guy behind me, bud? He's looking at me like I'm stupid or something. Who is this?
This is the guy that bought
Is this the guy, the original owner that we're looking at over here?
Bought the car in '68.
Well, let's talk to him and see what he's thinking about that. Jason? All right. How you doing, buddy? Shake your hand, make a friend.
How you doing?
My name's Pete. So what's going on with your car? You want to stand over here by your beautiful car?
Yeah, I bought the car in 1968.
Bought it in 1968?
When I was a sophomore in high school.
Uh-huh. Did you buy it yourself?
Yep.
You had your own job? You went out and paid for it yourself? And
yep.
What'd you get, a co-sign loan or?
No, just paid cash for it.
Paid cash. Did you hear that, Minnie?
Wow.
Bought it for $1,300.
$1,300.
Yep.
Wow, you mowed a lot of lawns for that one, didn't you?
I did. Well, I worked at a Safeway store, so.
Safeway. Yeah, those are kind of obsolete in Texas.
Yep.
Yeah, so you drove this all the way through high school, and you got married, and you still had your car, you had kids?
I got drafted in the Army back during Vietnam, and I gave the car to my dad. And then he drove it for 3 or 4 years and then parked it, and then sold it to Jason.
And then sold it to Jason for $1.
For $1 when he was a sophomore in high school.
And then Jason told me that you guys actually didn't just restore this thing one time, but twice.
Several times.
Several times.
Yeah.
So the bonding was there, and it's still there today. Am I right, buddy?
It is.
And I can tell you.
First time we restored it, we took it on the Hot Rod Power Tour in 2002.
2000.
Yeah.
2002 from New Mexico to Florida.
Yep.
Wow.
Panama City.
Now, have you been on any tours or any shows since then?
No, we haven't. Have we?
I have. Yeah, you went to that one in Arlington with the Corvette.
Oh, they did the Power Tour went through Arlington.
Yeah. The paint job on this thing is just immaculate. I mean, this thing is. I wouldn't even want to drive it.
It's still gonna be.
I wouldn't want to drive it, Jason.
It's scary.
This is like beauty. This is one of the most beautiful GTOs I've ever seen in my life. Am I right, Minnie?
It is.
This thing is like. It looks like a pro street mod dragster, dude. The way it sits.
I just put those Kragers on there. I don't know if I like them.
Yeah.
But I think I kind of like them because last time you saw them, I had those.
I don't.
wheels.
Oh, that's right. It had them big 20s.
But I don't know if I like those. I think I
Yeah.
go for the old school.
So what do you think, Dad? You like the car?
Yeah, looks good.
Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I like the color on it.
Do you think maybe you guys, being father and son, might take it on a cruise somewhere?
yeah.
Route
Yeah.
66
Yep.
or Chicago to California?
Yeah, we'll take it somewhere.
Yeah, because his 66s, we're doing his right now.
Well, you got another GTO.
Oh yeah,
I got a
that's
66.
Was that a
GTO.
brand? You bought that new too?
No. I just bought it about 10 years ago.
Now, I told everybody that Jason is like the GTO Pontiac King of America.
He is.
Yeah. Are you part of that action too? Are you the one that got him involved in it?
I'm the one that got him involved in it.
Yeah, you're the
Yep,
one
when he
that
was in
put
high
the
school.
seed in him, huh?
Yep, back when he was in high school.
There you go. And he's never lost the passion of GTO Pontiacs yet.
Nope.
I don't know what to say, Jason. I'm speechless, dude. The color, I don't even know.
that color.
You know, I don't even know if they can actually see the laser red, the beautifulness of this paint job, dude.
Yeah, you see right here. Get over here.
Oh, I
See
know,
this?
dude. It's beautiful.
How you see how
Yeah, look at how that sun just hits that.
a lot of hours in that.
A lot of hours just in color
right
sand and
down the
buffing.
side of that, look, this thing's slick as an arrow.
Slick as an arrow, dude. Look at that, Minnie.
Not a ripple in it.
And let me tell you something. You know how big those quarter panels are on them GTOs.
Yep.
Those things are 10 feet long. Yeah.
Nice.
I'll tell you, dude, you've done a beautiful job on this, Jason. You should be real proud. Another thing is you're getting you got all the stainless steel polished. Now that's not chrome plated. That's actually polished.
Yeah, I've got a
Look at that. That's a polished piece of stainless steel. That's the kind of action Jason's doing to this car.
And I've still got more trim. There's trim.
Yeah.
I gotta wait. I'm waiting on my interior, ladies.
When you get done with this car, it's going to look like a plastic car, dude. It's not going to look real.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It might be one of the nicest GTOs out there on the planet Earth, dude.
It's
When are we going to see it done, bud?
pretty soon. I'll try to get that shot.
Now I
finished.
noticed this is a post car. This isn't a
Yes,
This
that's
isn't
right.
a hard top.
Right, there's that stainless aluminum, that's polished aluminum that goes around here, and it goes so it breaks all this up.
Right.
So I've still got to put all that stuff in,
But they did have GTO hard tops, right?
they did where this post was actually removed. But
Right.
they only made this the rare car because they only made about 7,000 of these with this.
They only
post.
made 7,000 postcards,
Yeah.
Dad.
Right, that's correct.
Yeah.
That's
I
correct.
saw something in the garage there. What's going on with that car?
That's my 63 Corvette I bought.
That's a 63 Corvette
Yep.
split window job.
Bought it when I was in
Yeah.
the Army and had it.
Hold on a minute. When you're in the Army, back in the 60s, 70s?
70.
So he sold this
Jeez.
car. He sold this car and then bought that car.
All I gotta
Gave
say
that car
is
to my dad, and then I bought that car when I
Wow.
was in the Army.
that's amazing.
All original. The only thing
That's the original color,
it's
everything.
originally sea green silver.
Okay, because
And
my
we
dad
just-
had one of those and it was gold.
Yep. So we get finished my GTO, my 66. We're
That
going to do a
thing's
body
beautiful,
off
dude.
restoration on that.
That's gonna be a body off? You don't
Yep.
even need that.
We're going to take it to Bloomington.
Come on in, Dad. Let's see what we got here.
Love a split window.
Hold on a minute, bud. Come on over here, Dad. You're telling me you're gonna restore this car. It doesn't even need it, Jason. What?
This car was restored back in the 80s. And
Yeah, but look at it. It's beautiful.
It is. But
It needs a good turtle wax polish job, and you're down the road and having fun, bud.
I'm gonna put it back to the original color.
Yeah.
back all original.
But it's everything works on it. We're fixing a lot of low stuff on it right now.
And see, Pete, my dad and his dad, my grandfather built. They did this car together.
Really?
Yeah.
Back in the late 80s, we did a body off restoration on it.
God. Oh, so you took this one all down to
This has already had
all to 100 million pieces too?
Yep. Back in
Jeez.
the late 80s, we did
Gosh.
it. My dad and I did. Worked on it for 4 years
4 years.
on the weekends and at night.
Wow, look at that, Minnie.
Nice.
63 split. The only year they made that baby, right there.
First year of the Stingray.
There you go.
I would drive either,
Yeah.
or both.
I don't know. My dad used to have one of these, but to be honest with you, I think I'll stick with that bad boy right there.
You like metal, huh?
Oh, I like that car, dude. That is beautiful. Now, let me ask you a question. Does this have the original fuel injection in it?
It's got the original engine, transmission, rear end. The FI unit's inside my house.
Yeah.
We're gonna put it on.
They had a lot of problems with those, didn't they, Dad?
Yes, they did. Yep.
Had a lot of serious problems because that was like first gen fuel injection action going on. And am I right or wrong?
Right. That was. But I've got the FI unit inside my
Right.
house. And the air cleaner, we'll put it on.
Oh wow, look at this air cleaner on this. 327. Now is that the factory air cleaner for 63 or?
Yes.
Huh.
That's the factory air cleaner for 63.
Yeah.
That little snorkel.
Look at that, man. Got the original stickers. I bet that motor's never been rebuilt, has it?
No, it has.
Oh, it has?
Yep.
Yeah, Pete, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here and just totally re-strip this car and put everything back like it's supposed to be plated correctly, and you know, you can see it's just an older restoration. We're gonna go back and do it like it's.
It's got the
What
wrong
the car
valve covers on it.
If it's gonna be anything like that Pontiac, I can imagine.
It's gonna be nicer.
Hey, you guys are making me scary. I'm scared.
It's gonna be nicer.
I'm scared, dude. Look at the work. Look at the work they're doing over here, man. They want me to paint one of their cars.
Uh-oh.
I'm scared. I don't know, Jason.
This
You did
car-
some beautiful work,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah. This car is actually painted lacquer. This got listed.
Oh, is this lacquer?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what
Wow.
it's done.
Lacquer paint.
Yeah, but see, back in the 60s, they painted them with lacquer.
That's all they have was lacquer paint.
Now, when you go back original, are you going to go back with lacquer
Base
paint,
coat-
or are you going to
base
base
coat
coat clear?
Base coat clear.
PPG.
Yep.
There you go.
Going original color, what's that?
Sebring silver.
Silver.
Yep. It was a special option that year that they had the Sebring silver on the Corvette and the Cadillac.
Wow.
And that car, Pete's painted with water base.
You're saying that's waterborne base coat and then urethane clear on top of it.
Yeah, it's a tinted clear. Yes.
Yeah, that's beautiful, dude. You're making me nervous, guys.
Oh, you're all right.
You're making me nervous on the fire mist purple we're doing over there.
Irish mist.
Whatever. Anyway, that's the situation we got down here in Bowie, Texas. We got Jason and his dad. They are the kings of Pontiacs. I mean, everybody from all around the world knows these guys. You guys got a warehouse or something full of Pontiac parts, right? Just tons and tons of stuff. This guy buys frames. He buys frames, redoes the complete frame, resells them and everything. So all I gotta say is shake a hand, make a friend.
That's right.
Now remember, when I paint your car, we're still friends,
Yeah,
right?
oh, we're always
okay,
friends.
right? I mean, you know, there might be a dent in it somewhere.
Oh, yeah, I know, right?
Okay.
Because that side's not
We're
good.
still friends, right?
Absolutely.
All right, Pops. All right. Sweet baby. Everybody got to have a sweet baby.
Yeah.
Every mama has
That's
a
right.
sweet boy.
That's right.
There you go.
That's
All right, dude. Hey, where's mama at?
She's, I don't know where she's
Is she
at.
hiding?
She's probably hiding.
Is she still at work?
Yeah.
Okay. We wanted to get a few words with her, but that's all right.
She's up there probably making coconut pie.
All right, so what's the name of your business exactly? How can people get a hold of you if they're watching this and they need rare GTO Pontiac parts? What's your angle?
I don't have a website. They can find me on Facebook, Pontiac Poncho.
Hold on, slow it down, bud. What?
They can find me on Facebook. It's under Pontiac Poncho.
Pontiac
Poncho. Poncho.
Poncho, there you go. Pontiac
Pontiac's got a
Poncho
little
on
nickname.
Facebook. That's
Yeah.
you guys,
That's
right?
me.
Okay.
Yep. And
All right.
that or they can call Pete.
The birth of a GTO. Look at this.
Yeah.
This is him. He's surrounded his life around Pontiacs and GTOs since the day he was born, and he'll die
There you go.
with the middle name Turismo.
That's right.
Is it Turismo
That's
Armageddon?
A Gran Turismo Alamogado.
Alamogado.
Yep.
There you
It's
go.
a race over
Turismo.
Europe.
I'm surprised you didn't name it Turismo.
Probably should have.
You probably should have. Yeah, all right, guys. I got to go, bud.
Thanks, Pete.
Take it easy.
Appreciate
We'll see
it,
you
buddy.
later.
Thanks a lot.
All right, man. Beautiful car. Beautiful car.
Thank you.
So what do you think?
Oh my God, I would take.
Do you believe that?
That GTO.
I can't believe-
Paint job on that.
Oh my God.
Bodywork is perfect.
Let me tell you something. I'm a little nervous.
I know. You
These
better
guys
make
are
sure
like,
your bodywork
these
is
guys are
excellent.
like, you know, concourse fucking dudes,
Can
man.
you say Arthur?
No, I can't. I don't want to say Arthur. I don't want to say Arthur.